Looks like a dealer table. It really does. Now
There you go, dealing out your nice warm temperatures this morning and some rain showers. That's the best I can do.
Right?
Well, right now we are seeing some rain showers moving through parts of our region, very isolated at best, going to stay that way. We have a few chances to see some more isolated showers as we go through parts of our morning. But if you are traveling along I-24, you're seeing some of those showers now. I-69 down to the south, starting to see some now popping up. But just staying near south of Olmsted, you're seeing it continue to go up towards the river. Going to stay that way. Big Bay, seeing some of those showers as well. But right now, something out we're also seeing is our beautiful warm temperatures, feeling more spring-like out there today. Mount Vernon staying at 52. We're seeing an overcast sky, so temperatures are allowed to remain capped. We are looking at Poplar Bluff a little cooler there at 53, although I could say it might be a little bit warmer. Kennett sitting at 61, along with Union City and Paducah as well. Very nice temperatures out there, but we're going to continue to warm up. But there's something else that we're noticing right now is our fog. We are still left with a thick layer of fog out there. You can see our Mount Vernon camera. Nice to have those headlights on. Don't put your high beams on because you're going to blind you and the other drivers. It's not going to be pretty, but eventually this will all dissipate out of the area. You just got to wait at least until that sun really can get in there and evaporate it all. We do have some fog advisories through parts of southeast Missouri. That'll expire at 9, but so primarily that reduced visibility staying there. But if you are going throughout the day, those temperatures eventually going to be rising. That fog will be out of the area, still remaining mostly cloudy, but temperatures at least will be rising into those mid and upper 60s. But by later afternoon, you'll want to make sure that you are prepared because we are going to be tracking some strong to severe storms. That threat tracker bar up into the moderate levels for strong to severe storms for today and into Tuesday. It's going to be an early morning setting going into Tuesday, so be careful of that. And then Wednesday, we will at least clear out as far as precipitation goes and will remain mostly cloudy. But we do have that Storm Prediction Center giving us a level 1, 2, and 3. These colors here showing you that we do have that chance every 25 miles that there is a color encompassed here. You have a chance at seeing some strong to severe storms. So we have things that are coming into play right now, like those warm temperatures that we're seeing. Well, that's all being driven in from the Gulf. And with that, we're going to see some 1-2 punch happen. So that one round of storms with the warm front and then that second round with the cold front. And that's where you're going to see most of your impact. But it's possible that you see some stronger severe storms even ahead of that warm front. So here's the storms ahead of the warm front around 2 o'clock in the afternoon. A few rumbles of thunder can't be ruled out, so heavy at times. And then as we get into the late evening, here we are 7 o'clock, 10 o'clock, we're going to be looking at those heavier showers. But look at this, as we get into the midnight hour, that's where we're already looking at some of those stronger to severe storms. We're keeping an eye on Poplar Bluff, Portageville, even Sykes and Cape Girardeau, all across the area. We're seeing that threat for stronger to severe storms. Eventually, as we get into the late and early morning hours Tuesday, you're really going to want to make sure that you have your NOAA weather radios on hand and have the Storm Track 3 app on hand as well, because you'll want alerts if this actually happens during the evening hours. If anything does happen, it's primarily going to be these damaging winds coming from the south, gusting today over 30 miles per hour. And with those storms, if they do go severe, of course, they're going to be more than 50 miles per hour coming at you with some heavy rain. We're looking at amounts more than at least 2 inches in some areas. So localized flooding is our biggest threat, along with the winds. Tornado threat, not a huge thing today, but if you are going out there, just make sure into the evening hours, yeah, temperature is going to be comfortable, but you want to make sure that you're comfortable and that you are prepared in case anything does go warned. And it doesn't matter if it's not tornado warned. Severe storms can do just as much damage. Temperatures will be remaining warm as we go into our Tuesday as well. But after that, temperatures go right back into seasonally average. Download that Storm Track 3 app, as I just mentioned. You'll have the know on the go. We are always tracking for you. You'll get notified as soon as weather comes into play. But, you know, it's going to be mostly cloudy after this goes through. Things will calm down. We just got to get through this one hump of the part of the new year, right? Got to start it off with these storms.
I'll tell you what, though, mid 60s in January. But, you know, we always end up with some days like that.
Yeah.
I'm just hoping the cold air doesn't come in too harsh. All right, thanks for that.